Every day, fishermen from the seaside towns of Ghana head out to sea where they fish many kilometers offshore. For generations, families of these communities have fished the Atlantic Ocean. What they catch will determine the livelihood of their communities. I spent 1 month in Ghana during the summer of 2021 using my Fujifilm cameras to document their story. Millions of dollars per year are reported to be taken from the Ghana economy by overfishing from foreign countries. Because of this, the government of Ghana has implemented an annual 1-month fishing ban on local fishermen. With supplies of fish dwindling and little to fall back on, these communities are at risk of being overrun by the fishing industry. Many do not know how they will make a living during this monthly annual ban and risk fines in order to feed their families. As a teacher, I want to inspire my students that they can make powerful and impactful stories with their photographs. With this project, I aim to tell the story of these fishermen and how their communities are being uprooted.